2025 BMW X1. The 2025 BMW X1 is a compact luxury crossover SUV produced by the German automaker BMW. The 2025 BMW X1 is known for its sporty design, premium interior, and versatile functionality. xdrive infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen and physical controls, is often commended for its user-friendly interface. The 2025 BMW 1X has good fuel efficiency in its class, especially with its four-cylinder engines, making it a practical choice for those looking for a balance between performance and fuel economy. The BMW m35i model will unlock the performance potential of the X1. The optional premium package offers great value for money and includes a head-up display, in-car navigation, panoramic sunroof, 360-degree exterior camera system, and more. The BMW X1 is equipped with a range of advanced technology features, including driver assistance systems, connectivity options, safety features, a user-friendly infotainment system, and a range of engine options to cater to different preferences, including both gasoline and diesel engines. Offers a comfortable ride with responsive handling, making it popular among those looking for a luxury SUV in a more compact size. 2025 BMW X1 Interior. Inside, the X1 features a modern interior design that includes features such as a gear shift lever, a floating center console, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The design elements, including textured speaker grills and available eucalyptus open-pore wood veneer, spice up the cabin. Panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel are among all options. BMW's latest xdrive infotainment system has been integrated into its smallest SUV. Like the larger electric SUV and the flagship 7 Series sedan, the X1's digital instrument cluster consists of a single crisp-looking panel that serves as both an instrument display and an infotainment screen. Sirius XM satellite radio is included, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A wireless smartphone charging pad is optional, and the premium package adds a head-up display, Harman/Kardon stereo system, and a 360-degree exterior camera system. Additional standard features include dual-zone automatic climate control and push-button start. The other available are remote keyless entry, remote start, digital key, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, universal garage door opener, interior roof camera, and panoramic sunroof. 2025 BMW X1 Engine. BMW X1 xdrive 28i models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 241 horsepower. The X1 xdrive 28i tested hit 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. BMW suspension is tuned for athletic handling, making the BMW X1 a fun ride on twisty roads. The m35i, meanwhile, is the highest performance version of the X1 and features a 312 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an adaptive suspension system, and upgraded brakes. The EPA estimates the X1 xdrive 28i should deliver 25 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway. There are no fuel economy estimates yet for the m35i model, so there is a chance to gain a 75 mph highway fuel economy route. 2025 BMW X1 Safety. All BMW cars come standard with basic driver assistance features like emergency braking and parking sensors. More advanced technology like a self-parking feature and adaptive cruise control with lane centering are optional. The BMW X1 standard driver assistance essentials include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, rear view camera, forward collision warning, pedestrian and cyclist detection, rain-sensing windshield wipers, forward automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, exit warning, front and rear parking sensors and automatic high beams. The 2025 BMW X1's available driver assistance features include parking assist, driver attention monitoring, lane keeping assist, reverse collision warning, emergency braking, surround view parking camera system, traffic jam assist, stop and go adaptive cruise control, and a head-up display system.